In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create this neon text effect here in Canva. Now, this is really simple to do. First of all, we need our text on the canvas. Now, this is going to work for any type of font that you want to use as well. Now, what we want to do is click onto our text, come up to Effects just here, and then over here on the left-hand side, we have this text effect called neon. If we click on there, we now have the neon text effect. Now, this is going to work better with any other colors other than white. So if we come up to the top to text color, let's change this to red. Let's go back over to effects, but now let's play around with the intensity by increasing the bar like so, or decreasing the bar as well. For this example, let's put the intensity all of the way up so we have more of a glow round the outside. Now let's also change the font so it's more in keeping with this neon style. So let's come up to the font section just here and let's use this one. This is called High Tide Geometric and is a completely free font. Now from here, what you can do is add another text effect over the top. So what I did was copy and pasted this text like so. I've placed it over the top, come back up to effects, and then I use this outline. Now with here, we're going to change the outline color to black like so. We can then change the inside color to white or any color that we want. Then change that thickness all the way down. Let's go to round about 10 so that the thickness is not too thick. And now we have that neon text effect behind our new text. Now from here, what we can do is group both of those texts together by dragging over both of them, come into group like so, and now this is just one text. So that's how to create a neon text effect here in Canva. Now for more bite-sized Canva tutorials, click right here and watch this playlist.